Hey guys, so I just want to come in from this intro real quick so I can get this video up for y'all. So in this video, I fulfilled some orders. You ran into a problem with the gloss that really pissed me off, but y'all gonna see what happened. And I also got a business card, and yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I just bought a second phone, which will be my work phone. I got an iPhone 12. I'm so excited, I can't wait for it to get here. So right now on my laptop, and I'm looking at the pros and cons of a business credit card and a business debit card. And I think I'm leaning towards the, well, ain't no think in it. I'm gonna get the business debit card. I feel like that would be perfect for my business. I may get the credit card like later on down the line, but I think a debit card would be better. I already have a credit card. I just got my first credit card. I think I applied for it like the end of January, and I got it in February. And I think like the other week, maybe like last week or the week before that, I paid it off. I paid my first payment, so my credit did go up a little bit. I'm trying to build my credit up. I know that when you move, they do look at your credit, and I want to make sure mine is in good standing, and I want to build it up because look, my credit is not there. Like, I don't really have much up there, so it's nothing really to look at. So look, y'all know I'm ready to go. Like, I want to move, so I just want to like prepare myself and just have stuff in good state. A PayPal account. Y'all know you can't use PayPal to pay for everything, so I have to sometimes like transfer money into my regular account and then pay for whatever I need. So I'm opening this account so that I'll be able to use this. I'll be able to transfer money to my business account, and you know, it'll just be separate from personal. Personal will be personal and business will be business. I hope that makes sense. I was watching some moving videos, and they said that the people check your accounts, like they need to see proof that you have money coming in and stuff like that. So that's another reason why I want to get this account, so that they can see, look, your girl, you know, I be getting paid. I be having money coming in. Okay. Of course, I run into problems when I'm literally almost done fulfilling orders and I'm trying to ship them out tomorrow. I have her 10 glosses done. She ordered 20 in total. She ordered 10 Dream Chaser and 10 Millionaire. It looks perfect, right? But look at these glosses, bro. Literally sitting here wasting tubes, just filling them. What is this? Like, what is this? I use the same formula that I always use, and yeah, I don't know, it came out like this. Bro, I cannot send out stuff like this. I don't feel comfortable doing that. Yeah, it's literally pissing me off. So I have this order right here. She ordered Millionaire, and then I have this order back here. She ordered 2 Millionaires, so now I have to send out email. I'm irritated. I'm very frustrated right now because I really wanted to get these orders out. And you know, like I said, I don't feel comfortable sending out crappy products. Like, I literally don't know what happened. I think it may be the pigment, because the day before everything was fine. I shipped out an 8-ounce gloss drop. She had ordered the Gloss Millionaire and it was perfectly fine. I had to make some fresh gloss because I ran out, and literally this is what happened. I don't know. Like, I literally don't know what's going on. So I have all of this going to waste. Like, I literally don't know why. Like, what is this? It looks so nasty. I don't know why this is happening. I have no idea. So I'm about to go ahead and send her an email. It literally looks like it's gone bad. It looks disgusting. And I tried it on my lips, which I probably shouldn't have, but I did. I tried it on my lips, and it's still like, it feels good on my lips. It looks good, but the way it looks in the tube is not presentable. And I wouldn't want to sell those. I wouldn't want somebody to ship those to me. I would be pissed. So I'm not going to do that, because no. But y'all, this is horrible. Y'all can see my face at 8 point. I just woke up not too long ago, okay? But my phone is here, okay? My new phone is here. I'm about to unbox it. Literally just rung the doorbell and I ran to the door. Like, I'm excited. I can easily transfer these clips over because it's not mini and film on this phone now. Okay, yes, and I can get all my storage back. So I got an iPhone 12 and this is the black one. I didn't really like the other colors they had, and I didn't want red again, and I didn't think I really wanted white, so I was like, I'm gonna get black. Black is, you know, black is nice. I like black. So yeah, this is how it looks. OMG. Look at my new phone. Ooh. Okay, so let me show y'all. Y'all probably know how the iPhone 12 looks, but whatever, this is my video. And then it comes with the charger. So we got a new phone, okay. Do I need to charge it up or anything? Oh, okay. I'm excited. I gotta get a case. Like, personally, I don't want a case, but I know that I should get one to be on the safe side. But like, I really don't want one. I like how it looks like this. I guess I can get a clear case, even though the clear gets like really dingy and dirty fast. But I can just buy a new one, whatever it does. Because I really don't want like a color case. I don't know. And then they do have those cute cases. So, I don't know. I may just have to find one that I like. But I'm finna set up my phone. I'm about to go hop in the shower real quick, and then once I get out, I'm gonna get their orders packaged up and ready to go. I don't have a problem with sending out refunds. Like, y'all know, especially when somebody don't follow directions, I'm quick to send out a refund. I don't have a problem with that. It's just the fact that my product is messed up and I don't know the reason for it. Like, it looks a mess. I've not started here since January. I left my lip gloss at home, and I don't think I have any in the car, so my lips is extra dry right now, okay? Y'all can see. Oh, they look bad. But I issued the refunds, the partial refunds. They were very, like, not rude about it at all. I felt like they understood, you know? It's not my fault. Because like I said last night, the gloss was perfectly, like the pigment, the gloss was perfectly fine. I don't know what happened. I was more so mad at the fact that I couldn't fulfill the order. I couldn't, you know, give my customer what she asked for, what she paid for, you know? That's what I was mad about. Because it wasn't like, you know, it was just one order. It was two orders. It was two different customers that I had to refund. Luckily, nobody else ordered any glosses that had to, you know, go out. They have to go out right away. I do have a gloss jar. I know they did not just give me one ranch. I just know they didn't. And they did. So I got a salad, a Cobb salad from Chick-fil-A. I'm extremely hungry, so I may start smacking. You can go ahead and skip through the video if you don't want to hear that. It's my video, so I'm gonna do what I want, okay? I gotta say that. If you know that something's wrong with your product, don't send it out. Email the person. I'm not money hungry. That's the word. I'm not money hungry. Like, I know that God is gonna keep blessing me, and you know, everything is gonna work out. I'm gonna be able to take care of myself and stuff like that. So I'm not pressed. You know, if I make a mistake and something happens, I have no problem owning up to it and doing what I have to do to fix the problem. Period. So I get back home, I'm gonna get my phone together, and I guess I can show y'all, because this is a business video and this is a business phone, so y'all can see the apps that I'm gonna download. I mean, I feel like it's the apps that I feel like it's the apps that every business owner has, or YouTuber or whatever. So it's nothing like major or anything, but I guess I could like show y'all that. Hey y'all, so I'm finna go ahead and get my phone together. Excuse my nails. To download the apps for my business phone. doubt this is it, but I can't see my phone because I'm filming on it, so yeah. But these are the apps that I downloaded. So y'all, it is time to start working. I have 4 orders that I want to get out hopefully by Monday. If not Monday, then they will definitely be out on Tuesday. I have 30 jars right here for my lip scrub wholesale. One person ordered 10, the other person ordered 20. So we gotta get them clean. Let these sit for a little while. And while I'm letting them sit, I'm gonna go ahead and make up the lip scrub. This is what it's looking like. So we got bubblegum, pineapple, strawberry, and cotton candy. So I have the lip scrub jars and 2 8-ounce jars over here drying. And while these are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and make the 2 glosses for these 8-ounce jars. So I have to make the gloss Millionaire and Wealthy. And I did receive my pigments today. Today is Saturday. I don't think I said that. And they did come on time, which I'm so happy about. So we finna see if it was the pigment that was old. Hopefully that was the problem and we can fix it with this new pigment. Let's pray that this comes out right, because y'all already saw this is so much gloss. Here is Wealthy and here is Millionaire. If you're thinking about purchasing our new glosses, they are more on the thick and creamy side, super moisturizing and long lasting. Y'all do not understand how happy I am to be fulfilling a squeeze tube order. And guess what, y'all? Guess what? It's not nudes. So I'm about to do this for my Instagram. So if you want to see that video, go check out my Instagram accounts. Look how beautiful this order looks, y'all. When I say I'm excited about this, I'm super excited. Oh, she loves them. Vegan cruelty-free glosses. The consistency for each gloss is excellent, like it's great. This is Sunkissed Gold Digger for Keeps Simplicity. And these are all a part of our regular wholesale. You can get them in the clear tubes, silver tubes, and then we have a white wand tube. We also have these available for regular purchase. These are all available in our jars, 8-ounce jars, and we have them available for samples. So make sure you check out the site. So I'm gonna start on the bubblegum and strawberry order, just 10 lip scrubs. Y'all, I love this phone. So I am done. Y'all, I'm finna sleep so good. I'm extremely tired. I am done. I got the squeeze tubes filled, 2 jars, and then all these lip scrubs done. I'm finna sleep so good. So we got bubble gum, strawberry, cotton candy, and pineapple. I hope they love them. And actually, this order right here, this is her 3rd time ordering from me. It's her 2nd time ordering lip scrubs, so that must mean that they're good, okay? But I hope that this new customer loves her scrubs, and I hope that they sell. She also was the one that ordered the glosses too, so I hope she loves everything and comes back to shop again.